Okay, it's 10:30. We took about a 15-minute break, and it's cold up here. Let me tell you, people. Temperature is about 68, and then there's a wind chill factor. So we're going down the stairs here. We're leaving the secret site, or secret site 1. And here you can see the stairs that we came down. We're going down and crossing the stream, and then from here on it's blazing, looking for pig trails that take us in the right direction. We're trying to head across country now, a couple of major ridges to cross, and hopefully we get to secret site 2. Probably not today, but if we hit the connector that we started last Wednesday, we'll be in good shape. Here, Gene, look at this. See?
Yep.
So the avocados were fruiting this past year.
They had rock structures. Look at this. They had a rock. They had support right through here. You can see where they lay all these right in here. So they get down to this must have been, in that time, had to be a flowing stream on a regular basis.
Yes. I'll tell you the name of the stream after I turn off the camera. And look at the size of this boulder here.
Like a little waterfall.
Okay, this is what it's like to blaze a new trail for humans. We just follow a pig trail. It doesn't look too bad right now, and that's because Gene is ahead of me and he's already done a little cutting. It's a little steep and muddy, so eventually we may reroute it around this section, but now we're just kind of trailblazing, roughing it out, trying to find a general path over to site number 2. Okay, it looks like this is going to stay down, so I'll go around the high side of it. Some rubbish in front of me. Okay, we made it to the crest of the ridge. And it looks like there's a nice trail on here. Nice pig trail. Yeah, this is probably a hunter's trail going up high. We want to cut across. Okay, continuing on this pig trail. I'm looking straight down at it. Not much of a trail unless you're a pig. It's really thick in here, but it seems to be going in the direction that we want to go. And we're down into another stream bed. Dry, of course, as most Waianae streams are. And then we have to work our way up. Way the heck up there. But we're confident that the pigs, if they have a trail coming down, they probably have a trail going up on the other side. We just have to locate it. Okay, we're busting through on pig trails. And we came to this big, fairly good sized mango tree, kind of like in the middle of no place. But look what the pigs have done at the base of this mango tree. They like to rub their bodies, rub the mud off, and rub their tusks, sharpen their tusks on the wood. They've really played a tune on that base of that tree. Okay, we sort of ran into a man-made trail over here. It's not as evident on this end, but the high bank seems to have been cut, although it's not so evident right here. There's a huge sucking mango tree over here. Look at the size of this mango tree. And there are also some very large eucalyptus trees. Okay, I know exactly where we're at then. Okay, to the untrained eye, this might not look like much of a trail, but if you've done any hiking in Hawaii on old plantation trails or anything like that, this looks like at one time it was a broad trail with the left-hand side cut into the bank. This, we think, is an old plantation workers' trail for some reason or another. And it's been just abandoned for, well, the plantation closed in '46, so it's been abandoned. Even the hunters aren't using it. Well, actually the hunters have been using it a little bit. We've seen some places where there's machete cuts.